going on, YouTube fam? It's your boy titanicfeetjack back at you again. We in the bunker with another video for you guys today. Before we get started, just want to say thank you for everyone subscribing to the channel. Really appreciate y'all rocking with your boy. The support is very appreciated. Getting into today's shoe, we're looking at a Foamposite today, guys. It says Air Foamposite 1 XXQS. US size 15, price $230 US. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. Let's go ahead and sit this right here. And then voila. Yes, the Big Bang Foamposite. We're looking at the Big Bangs. Yeah. You don't see these that often. Yeah, not too many people have these. This was a limited quick strike shoe at Foot Locker. I remember that, and I was on a waiting list. Yeah, how many of y'all remember that waiting list before the Flex app? Yeah, we had it good, guys, but let's get into the shoe, give y'all a good look at this sneaker. A good little 360. Yep, it's the same materials most of your Foamposites are made of. We got this upper right here with a lot of great vibrant colors. It's a mixture of everything. It looks like the sky, the galaxy. But this is the second coming of the galaxy, but not quite, because the original galaxies had the clear outsole, but these got the all black outsole with the black carbon fiber. If you look closely, probably at night or certain type of light, those little green dots, they kind of illuminate like cat eyes maybe. We got the 1 cent logo on the heel. Got the pull tab on the heel. On the inside of the sneaker, also have that carbon fiber, and pretty much the same pattern as the outside on the inside, just a little different, but all the colors are pretty and they're vibrant. We have a different patch on the toe. It's the same as it is on the other sneaker. We're gonna go up the laces. It comes factory lace with some black laces. We have the Nike swoosh right here. And this material is like a nice little suede or nubuck. And hidden in here, we have the 1 cent logo, the Penny Hardaway logo. And there's a tab right here, kind of help you adjust the sneaker. And on the inside, we have that Nike logo, very similar to NASA's logo. We got that Nike logo in there, but speaking of NASA, we got that remove before flight tag with Nike on the end. Not sure if I'm gonna wear it with that on there. But if I try wear it on there, might be stepping on it. So if I'm gonna wear it, I might have to reposition it or take it completely off. But looking at this upper again, look at those colors. Very nice bright colors. I'm a bright color type person, me. Comment below if y'all like those bright colors, guys. We have that black carbon fiber right here. We have that all black outsole, the Penny Hardaway logo. We have it again here on the heel, that pull tab on the inside of the sneaker. Nice collection of vibrant colors. It almost looks like a rainbow right here on this sneaker. Y'all see that, guys? I just noticed that on this sneaker. Almost resembles a rainbow. But yep, we had that carbon fiber, black outsole. Take a look on the inside. See that Nike logo, very similar to NASA's. We have the suede or nubuck material going up the lace, the eyelids for the laces. We have black laces. We have that Nike swoosh and the 1 cent logo, guys. Gonna take one quick look at these again before we get out of here. Tell me what you think of the kicks, guys. How many of you guys still wear Foamposites? Comment in the comment section. Let me know if you're still rocking Foamposites. Or do you guys only wear Jordans? Me, myself, I'm versatile. I wear a lot of different type sneakers. I like Foams, I like Jordans, I like Yeezys, I like the Pharrells, I like Kyrie Irvings, I have a LeBrons, I have a nice little selection in my collection, guys. But this is going to conclude the video, guys. I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Y'all stay safe out there. Have a great evening. Peace.